Wyzepay is an infrastructure that allows businesses to create their own currencies, issued at a discount, that allows consumers to subscribe to that currency and benefit from those discounts.
We think the traditional ways of doing this are old-fashioned, inefficient. We want to disrupt it.
The number one problem small businesses face in the UK is cash flow.
Those cash flow problems, 1 in 7 employees don't get paid, so it's a real tangible problem.
With Wyzepay, they can get advanced cash flow directly from their customers instead of relying on credit from a bank.
It's a good thing because when a company borrows money from a bank, it pays interest, and that's an expense to the business.
Small businesses make up 50% of UK revenue, so it's a huge market.
The opportunity to scale Wyzepay very rapidly is to offer the small medium enterprise market with a single solution that caters for prepayments, loyalty, and direct marketing on one platform.
Wyzepay is building a relationship between small businesses and their customers even before a purchase happens.
If you look at Uber, where you've got drivers and you've got passengers, they were connected through technology. Airbnb are homeowners and renters. And that's exactly what Wyzepay is. But Wyzepay is connecting companies to customers and allowing them to transact directly.
Customers get a discount for allocating their money with companies they would already buy from.
They are not only issued at a discount, but they are fully transferable and they never expire.
The small businesses get more predictability on revenue. They get insights into what their customers want, how much they're planning to spend and when. And they have a very clear idea of what's attractive to their customers in terms of discount and pricing.
When you can think about the whole new experience you can create around all of the data that is available on consumption and how you can actually not only do marketing on what people are spending today, but how you can visualize and how you can do marketing into the future. I mean, you're opening up a complete new economy.
I had to build a team that could really make this happen and deliver. Each of the members have been handpicked from people I've had the experience of working with, and they've proven they're the right team because they've delivered an award-winning brand and they've developed a real platform in short time to budget.
As a guiding principle for the development, we wanted to make it as easy as possible for the user. The app consists of a marketplace for corporate currency and a wallet. Because we're dealing with real money, we want it to be safe and immutable, which is why we're building it on the Elements blockchain, but we're using a 3-tiered architecture that allows for instant clearing of the transactions. So it behaves just like a normal payment method that users are already used to.
It's really important to understand that currencies issued by businesses on the Wyzepay platform are not creating cryptocurrencies. These are tokenized units of real money.
So having delivered our proof of concept successfully, we're now raising money for 2 reasons. Get our first businesses on board the platform. The second part is to take a proof of concept to the next stage of development, which is to make it usable in the real world with real money, with real customers, will deliver security and trust they would expect.
The fintech sector is rich and varied. When I look at it, there's an awful lot of overlap between a lot of different products. This is very much, I think, stands on its own.
We think the time is right now.
You're now at the next stage of maturity, and in front of you is the scaling opportunity.
We know where we're going. This fundraise allows investors to join us in that journey.